the leaders have to become conscious of their responsibility. And when that happens, then everyone around them become happy. And everybody actually needs guidance. Everybody needs to be led. The other day, Dr. Charles gave me the book that he wrote based on Bhagavad Gita and Chinese Art of War. And I was going through that, and in that book he narrated one experience that he had in 1981. He was a trainee in the German Naval Academy in Flensburg. And one day, the commanding officer told the cadets that today you won't have any trainer. You're on your own. But you can't leave. You all have to be here and you have to decide what you have to do. And he was expressing in that book that how everyone was in total confusion. Like, that actually shows, what an important role a leader actually plays in the life of the follower. And that is where comes the conscious leadership. A successful leader, an effective leader, must have three qualities. One, he must know where the goal is, and that's the vision. He must know how to motivate his followers. A successful leader's success lies in motivating his followers. He inspires his followers to achieve that goal. And then that goal is achieved as a team. Although the leader gets the credit, but at the same time, leader actually transfers the credit to his followers. He doesn't say that I have achieved it. A successful leader always remains grateful to his followers because he knows without them he couldn't have achieved that. And then a leader must know how to facilitate his followers. If the leader, instead of facilitating his followers, if the leader simply tries to depend upon his followers, then followers will not have the confidence in him. The confidence comes when the follower sees or has the confidence that I don't have to worry about anything. Whatever I need will be supplied by him. And that is what makes an appropriate leader. And then the followers become happy and the world becomes a wonderful place to be in. Now you see, there are two things: exploitation and service. If we try to exploit, then the noble purpose will never generate out of it. But when we develop an attitude of service, that is what makes the world around us develop and progress beautifully. Now, how do we develop this attitude? First of all, for that we need training. Again, we need leaders to train us. It's a good follower that actually makes a good leader. First you become a student, then you become a teacher. First you become a follower, then you become a leader. And when such leaders lead, then the world becomes a beautiful place.